It's like we're frenemies, but I think he thinks that I kind of hate him. Oh dear, what am I doing? Well, you don't plan on leaving at any time soon, do ya? Well, you. Oh, shut the up, you stupid censor, piss off! Oh, I don't even know why it's still here. I mean, no one cares that I'm swearing. So, another night. It's supposed to be 5 nights. So, just one more night and you're f***ing out. Because, you know, there are totally not 2 more nights. Otherwise it'd be called 7 nights. With me. Oh, fuck me. I cannot wait to see your grubby ass get out of here. Just one more night. One more night. And I can just wake up.
It's Plushy and I'm coming to mess you up. I'm coming to get you!
So this is the part where I stand here and somehow drain power. Whoa! Hell? Scared ya. So this is the part where I stand here and somehow drain power. Whoa! Scared ya. Whoa! Scared ya. A boogie woogie woo,
I'm coming to get you!
Just so adorable, aren't I? What the hell? Whoa! Scared ya. A boogie woogie woo, Dabbing for cancer. Do you know the way to the antidote? Whoa! Scared ya. Oh, you don't touch my eyes! Whoa! Scared ya. Whoa! Scared ya. A blooky wooky woo, motherfucker.